Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Chevy Equinox. First, ensure both vehicles are turned off and in park. Gather safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Position the donor vehicle close enough for cables to reach, but not touching. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart, protecting both you and your vehicles from potential hazards. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead Equinox battery. Then, take the other end of the red cable and connect it to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Make sure these connections are secure to ensure a good electrical flow. Next, connect the negative cables. Attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the other end, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Equinox engine block, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground connection, preventing sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. Then, try starting your Chevy Equinox. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the negative from the Equinox, then the donor negative, followed by both positive cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.